挺累的。
Joe, yeah, I'm here. 观众们，你们今年可能是最后一届的，对吗？你们都知道对吗？没有人知道吗？如果知道的话，待会可不可以用最后一支的声音叫出来？就这样 OK 吗 ？OK。This is the last KOD maybe.
决赛还是7分钟。
The final will be 7 minutes also 7 minutes. The barrel, remember, okay? 7 minutes.
然后我们这一次团队冠军的中国队只限中国人啊，就是中国人最好成绩的，我们11月会飞到深圳去参加演舞会卷9，也是同样10年的一个比赛，所以就是你们了，跳不跳好都无所谓了。
Rizzo is the organizer of the hustle and flow, so respect, much respect. So the barrel, good? Ready? Really? Hip hop games ready?
Ready?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, keep on dancing. 5-2, maybe the last time. Breaking cool in the final. Are you guys ready?
7 minutes.
Come on, Lil G, spin the angel.
And Lil G goes first. BBOY can dance.
Roxy BBOY. Oh yeah. No damn favorite.
Yo, back it
Back up, hip hop kids. Back up.
BBOY just dance.
Oh yeah. Woo. Smooth. The barrel back up. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
People live fast.
Hero, what you got?
Oh yeah.
BBOY feel. shake hand， 握一下手。
Yeah, that's the battle I'm talking about.
然后俗话说，比赛第一，友谊第二，就是这样了。
OK, KOD 10
From Russia, DeVivo!
Come here, take a photo, take a photo. Hey, all the crew members, come here, take a photo, take a photo. Take a photo, take a photo. Here, take a photo. All the people. Yeah, congratulations. Okay, thanks. Yeah, give it up.